Welcome back to another edition whereby today this Harmony Media is in the village and we are trying to focus on the life at the village. What we see, the plants, the vegetation, the environment, the way the life in the village is, and the field where most of the people regard it as life in the village. Now, to start off, we have plants which most of the villages they like planting and also having as an both domestic or not for commercial purpose but for only home consumption. Like right now we have banana plant. You can see it there. The banana plant is almost in the verge of producing the banana. You can see the macadamia plant here. This macadamia plant is for commercial purposes. It has been planted here for to make sure that the villagers collect macadamia for sale. Also, we have another plant here by the name tree tomato, whereby these are small fruits whereby most villagers do have them in their small farms. Also, we have sugarcane here, which is chewable. It's not for sugar or for any other process, just for chewing when you are in the village. Because when you are in the village, sometimes you can have most of the time spending in the farm. So by the time you go home and start preparing meal for the lunch, you'll be tired, and also you might not make a good meal because of the tiredness. Now, as I had told you earlier on, we have the macadamia. This is macadamia trees, and as you can see here, we have macadamia nuts which have fallen down, and they are supposed to be collected and kept, because if you don't collect them they decompose here, and also some creatures might find their way and come and eat them and crush them, like rodents. Rodents are some of the dangerous pests which exist here, and they are the major destroyers of these nuts. And another thing is, when you are doing cultivation of nuts, spacing is another important aspect. You should have proper spacing for them to have good breathing points, and also to do a very, very productive state of produce. And as you can see, we have also this one. It's doing well. It's growing as farmers they do expect. Like this area has been only zoned for macadamia nuts. You can see huge plants, a lot of plantation of macadamia nuts here, just for the purpose of commercial. So when the nuts are ready, you come and collect them here. You remove the outer covers like these ones. You remove the outer covers. Oh, I've managed to get my fruit here, tomato fruit, and one macadamia nut. Going to at least to see and enjoy the nuts. And as you can see, we have these fruits here. Very nice, very beautiful. We have also some here additional. Also there we have at least quite a number of tomatoes here are doing well. They are doing a lot of production. Also macadamia, have a lot of nuts which are now becoming are preparing to become enough for one to do some selling. Otherwise, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Harmony Media. Harmony Media is your channel which keeps you focused on different things from different walks of life. Otherwise, bye.